Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today we're going to be working on the Miller furnace. This is my shop. I've worked on this once or twice before, but the problem that we have today is the door switch has malfunctioned. So this has been a problem throughout the year, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it now that it's a little bit warmer weather. Real quickly, the way this works is when the door is shut, the furnace will run. When the door is open, it shuts off, and then it has another way of activating the burner. If you pull the switch out, and it goes into a service mode. So before we go ahead and tear into this, we want to kill the power. Please use a lot of caution when dealing with stuff like that, and you should be good to go. So let's get started.
Go ahead and locate your burner switch and kill the power.
Just for extra precaution, I like to shut the breaker. All you're going to have on the side of this is one screw that's going to hold the cover on. So go ahead and remove that screw. Pull it off, get that out of the way. And you're going to have, this is where your voltage comes in. All you're doing is you're going to unplug the switch itself. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you should be able to just squeeze the two tabs on the side here and just pull that switch right out of there. Just like that. That's obviously bad. It just does not feel right inside. Now you may notice that the configuration on the switch that I took out and the one I'm going to be taking in is a little bit different as far as the terminals. Alright, don't worry about that. All you need to be concerned about is the common and the normally open. So here's the common and here's the normally open. And we're going to put our meter on there, and we're going to test the switch before I put it in. And I'm also want to show you that what this switch is doing. Take your multimeter, and if you're familiar with multimeters, there should be a continuity setting on there. So when you touch these together, it's telling us that we have connection between these wires. So we're going to take the good one here first so you can see what's going to happen. And you're going to put one of the leads on common. You're going to put one of the leads on normally open. All right, and you should get nothing, which we are not getting anything. So do that. All right. Now, if I push in on that switch, we should get a tone, and we do. The furnace is running. Okay, the door is open. Now, if I pull it out open, okay, the door is open. Now I'm in the service mode. So this switch is good. This is the one I'm going to be putting in. So let's go ahead and go over to our switch that is bad. Put it on the common and the normally open. Okay, nothing. And if I pull it, nothing. So the switch is bad. The switch is just bad inside. So that is our problem with this furnace. And I know that because it's been giving me troubles throughout the winter. So now let's just go ahead and put the switch back in. Remember, you want it to be on common and normally open. Alright, when you put it in, just remember which one is common and normally open. Right there it says common, NO for normally open. So go ahead and put that in. Yeah, it should just snap right in. And then plug the wires back in. Just like that. And then go ahead and put your side cover back on. Let's get the breaker back on. Let's go ahead and turn the emergency switch back on. Well, all right, there it is, all set to go. It's starting to warm up a little bit. Real quickly, the way this switch works, like we showed you before, it's in service mode right now. The burner is running. If I go halfway, the burner shuts off. The fan is still running because it's up to temperature. The door shuts, the burner comes back on, and we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the door, simulate that. Shuts off, so I'm going to put it back in the service mode, and there we are. So again, use caution when dealing with electricity. Shut it all down before you tackle a project like this, and you should be all set. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.